Welcome to Copy Solutions. In this video, we will show us how to replace drum in Brother printers. This is Brother MFC 7820DN. This is the drum unit. It's DR350. You can see it's DR350. Putting it side by side with the new one. This is the toner unit. This is the old one. So, the drum is not good to be exposed. The toner unit, you take off the seal. Take off the seal, then you fit it in back to the new drum unit. Make sure that the screw fixed very well, and then you insert it back into the machine. Then you make sure that it sits inside the machine very well. And then you have to close the door back and put the machine on. Remember, you have to reset the drum counter. So you have to put off the machine back, open the front cover, then you press down the start button. Then you on the machine for 3 seconds. Now you have to close the cover back. Now you have successfully replaced the drum. Then reset the drum counter. You have cured the error of replaced drum, and the copy is now good. You can see the former copy of the production. Now we see the copy will come out neat and plain. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, and don't forget to like our videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.